Hi, Ray. My name is Mo from Marknative. I believe you spoke to my associate Jessica. She has let me know that you're interested in checking out the video that we have for you. So here it is. So the point of this video, Ray, is to go over your site and kind of deep dive into the back end of your site as well as the competitors to see what they're doing to get in more traffic to their website and overall rank higher on Google, and the similar things that you can also do to actually beat out their rank and also overcome your competitors, which leads to overall growth of business and more traffic. Okay, so without a further ado, so let's jump right in. As you could see, I have your website pulled up. Definitely very professional looking. You have tons of content. So three things I'm going to be touching on today are content, backlinks, and citations. Okay. Content is pretty much self-explanatory, but there's a lot of things that goes behind the scene with content, which I'll be touching on, as well as backlinks and citations. I'll be explaining as I go through the video. All right. In terms of content, right, we want at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Google algorithms, when they're actually scrubbing through website, they're looking for keywords. So by having enough content, it allows us to stuff in buyer intent keywords. Keywords such as, let's say, water damage restorations, Lancaster, PA. Fire damage restorations in Lancaster, PA. So when people are actually searching for those keywords, so you are the first one to show up. Okay, let's look at the content before I do that of your competitors. So before what I did over here is I just quickly searched for water damage restoration, Lancaster, PA, and then I saw that this guy over here, Central Pennsylvania Paul Davis, comes up first. Okay, organic search. So he is your top competitor, and I noticed that you were down here. Okay, you're pretty much the last one. So you are definitely doing something right, but as statistics shows, no one usually really goes down the page and actually clicks around, right? But I am glad you're on the first page. But the goal should be to get here. Okay. So I opened up his website as well. As you could see, I'm looking at the content here. Good amount of content, but not enough. We could definitely beat them with content. Let's look at the backend side, kind of going deep dive right now. Pulled up your competitor's website into this nifty tool called Ahrefs. This allows us to see kind of what's going on behind the scenes. All right. If I just have your attention on the organic keywords, you'll notice that they're being found for only 5 keywords. So they're not really doing all of that. Okay. This is not really, this is not only a factor that's actually helping them rank #1. Okay. Let's see how many keywords you're being found for. You're being found for more than them. 17 keywords. So pure clean, that's definitely like, and that's very the people that knows about your company are looking for this keyword here, but we want to be targeting restoration, Lancaster, mold remediation, right? Notice how there's 150 searches per month, and you're getting 0 of it because you're number 21 for that keyword. So your goal should be to grab these keywords and become #1, driving all of this traffic home. Okay, and so you should be capitalizing on that. Your competitors are not doing all of that, so that's a great thing for us, right? Water and fire restoration, Lancaster, 90. They're barely getting anything. They're getting 4 because they're not really ranking for these buyer intent keywords, right? Let's see. And the second thing, as I mentioned, I wanted to touch base on was backlinks. And I don't mean to jump around too much, but just bear with me here. I'm just coming back to the dashboard over here. Backlinks, as you could see, for your competitor, they have almost 1,500 backlinks, and backlinks are basically links that like other websites are basically pointing to your site. Okay, so you may read blogs and articles, you click on a hyperlink that opens up another page. In the eyes of Google, the more backlinks you have, the more popular you are. Okay, the more Google actually trusts you. So this UR factor over here, this is what's going to decide how much trust Google has on your site and how much power, okay, your website has. in eyes of Google. So they are definitely, they got some links from really good website. Okay, and then you're pretty much healthy over there. But what you need to do, you need to get more backlinks, and you could easily beat them out. Okay, and definitely get you need to stuff in the keywords. Last thing I want to touch on was citations. So citations are basically anywhere your business name, address, and phone number shows up in. That could be directories, blogs, articles, right? Directories like Angie's, Home Advisor, etc. Right? The more citations you have, the higher up you are here in this Google map. Okay. By being higher on Google Map, you'll be grabbing about 40% of the traffic here, and then being number one over here, you'll be grabbing anywhere from 60 to 70%. Okay, so as you can see, right, there's tons of traffic that you're definitely missing out. So once again, there are three things that you want to focus on: content, backlinks, and citations. As you could see, these buyer intent keywords, 190 searches, 150 searches, right? Definitely feel free to pause the video and just look through. So these are the keywords that you're missing out on, right? Okay. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you have any question, feel free to just leave a single line of feedback as well. My phone number is 347-210-0943, and I can be emailed at mo@marknative.com. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and you get to implement these strategies and grow your business. Once again, do not hesitate to just shoot me a text or an email. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, Ray.